Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. I'm Natasha and Dewi, your tour guide during your trip to Malino. Thank you all for choosing our travel agency to help you enjoy your stay on this paradise island. We hope for you to have a lovely stay in Malino where you can go home satisfied with your trip here. Before we leave, please check your belongings, and if everything is set, then here we go. The first place we are going to visit is Semolon waterfall. I want to describe a lot of Semolon waterfall. Semolon waterfall is located in Malinau, precisely in Peking Village, Mencarang district. Semolon waterfall is a tourist attraction because has its own unique and largest hot spring in Malinau Regency. Moreover, the waterfall is not shaped like a small waterfall, but flows into a rocky river that looks like a ladder. As a result, it always visited by tourists in various regions for hot spring attraction. Interestingly, the hot water in the waterfall is believed to cure various diseases. Many tourists regularly visit this tourist attraction in the hope that their illness will be cured, whether it is a myth or just a tradition, but many tourists prove this belief. Maybe you can believe that. And the place small waterfall is open 24 hours for visitors to and then to enter the waterfall you don't need a ticket or it's free, but you have to pay parking for your for your cars or motorcycle. But in this tourist attraction we can enjoy that there are also facilities such as toilets and trash cans. Maybe you can trash save your trash in this place, and parking areas in front of Semolon waterfall. There are some tips when visiting Semolon waterfall. The source of this waterfall has two springs. The left side feels cold, while the right side has a hot water source. The warmth of the flowing water has benefit for skin health and increased stamina. You are required to protect the environment around small waterfall by not littering. You are advised to bring a change or cloth to swim the waterfall. Maybe you can. Be careful when under the waterfall because the rocks are slippery and sharp in place. And then, if you want to capture rock photos, make sure your camera is protected from splashing water. Maybe this some tips from you visit the semi Semolon waterfall. Ladies and gentlemen, the tour ends here. As we are on our way back to your hotel, make sure you get plenty of rest so we can continue our tour tomorrow morning. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.